Hmm? Hmm? Vừa đá xuống. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. You full? Are you full? I think you not yet full. Yes. Keep calling you. Đi không? Two frog for you. Yeah. Oh my god. I know you like this food too. Yeah. Oh my god. So why you introvert? You say something. Oh my god. So no play. If you introvert, I introvert follow you. Yeah. Okay. Just to eat. Sit down. Very nice. Look at me too. Very nice. You like this? Huh? You want to eat every day? I'm cooking for you. So, no play. I don't like you play. You can eat at all. I provide this meal for you. Oh, you thirsty, right? Okay. Wait, long time me. Oh my god. Sorry, Susu. I don't know. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, well, if calling you. God, Susu. This one for me too. Susu, why? You full, man? Huh? Sit down. Let's go. Eat with me. Oh my god. No. This frog is so expensive. No, you can't eat at all. No. Eat at all with me. So, you full, right? Huh? Are you full? You full, right? Yeah? No jam. Sit down. This one for me, né? This